Shoutout sa inyong lahat, guys. Maraming salamat. Boss R, mag-start ka na, Boss R. Mag-end na ako. Mag-start ka na, Boss R. Dumating ka na ba sa ano mo, sa store mo? Ayan, Mega Mega Love shoutout, 13 million people, P15 pa ang channel, Mega Mega Love shoutout, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sir Ricky, sa support always, maraming salamat. At saka Bibi Shinsky, at saka Bibi Mariam, sa dalawang admin ng P15, Bibi Shinsky, at saka Bibi Mariam, maraming salamat. Thank you so much sa support ka. Tsaka sa tsaka sa mga B50 members, maraming salamat. MM Jenny, thank you so much. At tsaka sa mga lahat ng tumambay. Babaylan girls, mega love shoutout. Thank you so much guys sa support niyo always. Si MM Jenny, Zaina, thank you so much. At tsaka sa lahat ng andyan, maraming salamat sa support. At tsaka sa tambay. Brolhas, maraming salamat. Sis Jamralia, thank you so much. Tsaka Lower TV, mega love shoutout, love. Salamat sa support ka. Kasi kahit magkaiba ng oras, hinayaan mo ako mag-YT. Hinayaan mo ako magpuyat minsan sa YT. You never complain about my timing. Kaya thank you so much, love. Sa lahat ng mga B50 members na andyan, nag-suporta sa akin. Brawl Hats, maraming salamat. Boss R, Riders Bong, thank you so much. Tsaka B50 Mac, maraming salamat. Baby Flarms, thank you so much. B50 Ma'am Emerald, maraming salamat. B50 Rina, thank you so much. And then, Ma'am GCL, thank you so much. Ma'am Agnes, maraming salamat. Naglakad pa ako, host. Sir Manapalcate, I will go to your channel right now. Sorry. Thank you so much, Sir Manapalcate, ha. I will watch your videos. Actually, I'm watching your videos here. Sir Manapalcate, I am here right now in your videos. I'm so sorry, Sir Manapalcate. Thank you so much for tuning in always. Thank you so much, Sir Manapalcate, for tuning in always on my live streaming. I saw your comment on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, Sir Manapalcate. Ayan. I'm here right now, Sir Manapalcate, watching your videos. Ayan. Thank you so much. Ayan. The Age of Love. Watching Sir Manapalcate, ha. Thank you so much. Ayan. Once again, Mega Mega Love shoutout, B15 Paangat channels. Thank you so much for the love and support. Team leader Sir Ricky, thank you so much sa support tsaka sa tambay. At tsaka sa dalawang admin ng B15, Baby Chinsky, at tsaka Baby Mariam, Mega Mega Love shoutout, thank you so much. Babaylan girls, Mega Love shoutout, thank you so much. Jenny, Emily Zainab, maraming salamat sa support always. Mga B50 members, thank you so much. Mga YT friends, Baby Frina, Baby Mac, thank you so much. Brawl Huds, maraming salamat din. Sis Jamalia, thank you so much. Tsaka Lower TV, kasama ko, thank you so much, love, for the continuous support. And then you never complain about my timing. Kahit lagi akong dapat sa YT, you're not complaining. Thank you so much, love. And then, Boss R, thank you so much for the support. Sir Bong, thank you so much. Baby Mac, Ma'am Shing, maraming salamat, Ma'am Shing, for tuning in into my live streaming. Thank you so much, Ma'am Shing. And then, Baby Ma'am Emerald, thank you so much. Baka may nakita na ko guys, ha. Wait, nabasahin ko lang, ha. Baby Mariam, thank you so much sa tambay mo. At saka Baby Shinsky. Ayan guys, si Boss R, nag-ano na guys, ha. Puntahan niyo na si Boss R guys, magpaalam lang ako. Nag-start na si Boss R guys, pasuyo ako pakipuntahan. And then, thank you so much, Sir Ricky, Baby Shinsky, Baby Twin Style, Baby Mariam, Jenny, Lo, thank you so much. Kuya, Bibi Frina, Bibi Flarms, Bibi Mac, thank you so much. Bibi Mariam, Boss R, Riders Bong, thank you so much. Bibi Mac, Ma'am Emerald, thank you so much. Brawl Huds. And then, Sir Manapalcate, thank you so much for tuning in. Ma'am Giselle, maraming salamat. Sir Jam CJ, thank you so much, Sir Jam CJ official, for tuning in. Ma'am Shing Vlog, thank you so much. Sir Tiagos, thank you so much. Is WW80, thank you so much for for tuning in. And is the Life Story Official, thank you so much. Ayan guys, ako'y magtapos na guys. Maraming salamat ulit. May God bless you all guys. Si Boss R guys, nag-start na po siya. Pakipuntahan na po siya guys. Kaya maraming salamat ulit. Sir Manapangkit, I'm still watching right now in your videos. Pasawin lang ako guys. Ayan guys, ako magpaalam na. Ma'am Agnes, thank you. Maraming salamat ulit guys. Thank you so much guys.